How to create a Google form and share its link. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a new Google form and share its link with others. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The first thing you have to do is open up your Google Chrome. And once you do that, you can click on this dot icon right here to see all of the Google's app. Scroll down all the way until you find Forms and click on it. Or you can just search for Google Forms on the web search bar. Now here are a few templates that you can use from, but if you want to create your form from scratch, I'm just going to show you guys that as well. First of all, let's see how you can create a new contact form. So as you guys can see here, the first one is your name, your email. Then you have also an option for multiple options. Then you can choose what kind of answers you want to have. So let's see how you can create a form like this from scratch. Click on blank form and it will create a new form. Now give your form a title, for example, contact form. Then you can write a short description if you want. So this form is to get your contact info, like something like this. Now first you can upload a question. So click on this plus icon and you can start your question. So you can choose what kind of question you want to have. For example, short answer. So for your full name, you can enter that, and then it will be a short answer text. And if you want to make it compulsory, you can just click on this, and then they will be required to answer this before submitting. Then you can add another question. Another type of question can be multiple choice. So let's say your gender, and select your options like male. Add other options like this, female, add other. So you can do that. And then you can also make it required. Click on plus again and choose other type of questions like checkbox or multiple grid or checkbox. So here are a lot of options. So long answer, you can write something like, how do you feel about today? Something like this. I know it does not really relate to a contact form, but I'm just showing you guys the type of questions or the type of answers you can choose from. And once you have done that, once you complete your form, you can just click on the settings menu, click on responses if you want to see the responses. Now share it, tap on share, tap on the copy link button, and then you can easily share this to anyone. So just click on this copy link. So click on copy and then publish the form first, and then click on publish. Now once the form has been published, you can paste the link to whoever you want to give it to, and they can fill out the form, and that's it. If you found the tutorial helpful, I'll catch you guys on the next one.